this documentary project, I'll be telling about crystalline solids and the classification. Crystalline solids. They have definite characteristic geometrical shape, they melt at a sharp and characteristic temperature, they have definite enthalpy of fusion, they are anisotropic in nature, they are true solids, and they have long-range odor. Classification of crystalline solids. Molecular solids, ionic solids, metallic solids, and covalent solids. Molecular solids. Molecules are the constituent particles of molecular solids. They are further divided into three types: non-polar molecular solids, polar molecular solids, and hydrogen-bonded molecular solids. Non-polar molecular solids. They comprise either atoms like argon and helium or the molecules formed by non-polar covalent bonds like H2, Cl2, etc. The atoms are held by weak London forces. They are soft and non-conducting. They have low melting and boiling point and are liquid and gaseous at room temperature and pressure. Examples of non-polar molecular solids are H2, Cl2, CO2, argon, and helium. Polar molecular solids. They are held together by relatively strong dipole-dipole interactions. These are soft non-conducting. Their melting points are higher than non-polar molecules. Most of these are gaseous or liquids at room temperature and pressure. Examples are HCl, SO2, and NH3. Hydrogen-bonded molecular solids. The molecules of such solid contain polar covalent bonds between H and F, O and N atoms. Strong hydrogen bonding bind molecules of such solids like ice. They are non-conductors, they are volatile liquids or soft solids under room temperature. Solids like NaCl, MgO, etc. fall in the category of ionic solids, in which ions are the constituent particles. They are formed by three-dimensional arrangement of cations and anions bound by strong Coulombic forces. They are hard and brittle in nature, have high melting and boiling points, and are electric insulators in solid state. In molten state, they are good conductors of electricity. Metals like iron fall under the category of metallic solids. Metallic solids compose of metal atoms that are held together by metallic bonds. They have high thermal and electrical conductivity, and being malleable and ductile, they exhibit luster, a shining surface that reflects light. They tend to have high melting point. Mercury is an exception, which has melting point of minus 37.84 degrees, and phosphorus with a melting point of 111.2 Fahrenheit. Other examples of such types of solids are copper, silver, and magnesium. Quartz and diamond fall under the category of covalent solids. They are also known as giant solids. In these, atoms are held very strongly. Such solids are very hard and brittle. They have extremely high melting points and may even decompose before melting. They are insulators. Diamonds and silicon carbide are examples of such solids. Graphite also belongs to this category, but it is very soft and is a good conductor.